Alright, Flat Rate Mechanic again, and we got this Honda Civic that came in with a broken timing belt. Let me see. What year is it? 2005 Honda Civic, broken timing belt. I just wanted to show you guys what we found. Basically, we got the belts off it. This is the cam sprocket that goes on the end of the cam sprocket, but it had sheared off the pin and broke the actual gear. So we investigated a little farther. We had to pull the actual rocker arms all off. Once we got the rocker arms off, we inspected all the bearings in the cam, and you can see this one's wiped out completely. So the cam was locking up, and it sheared off the pin, and the cam sprocket just kept spinning on there. So let's see how the head looks. So on the head side, you can see the same thing down here. The bearings are just all whacked out. So yeah, it looks like this Honda's gonna need, the head's gonna have to be sent out and see if we can get this thing repaired.